How to repair a damaged skin barrier. Hi everyone, Dr. Jaja here, and today we are going to talk about the skin barrier and how to help repair it if it is damaged. So, what are the signs of damaged skin barrier? Your skin may feel irritated, red, itchy, stinging, and even have acne flare-ups. So, how do we help repair a damaged skin barrier? First tip is to protect our skin against UV damage by wearing sunscreen and having sun protection. Second tip, avoid overdoing your skincare. And third, we need to look for barrier-friendly ingredients. And in this video, I'll be focusing on amino acids. And recently, I've been trying this amino acid gentle cleansing mousse. It is safe for all skin types, even for those with sensitive skin. It foams up well and leaves my skin refreshed and bright after cleansing.